Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here, your buddy. And I want to talk to you real quick about the best way to make money from home. It seems like a big thing now. You know, it was funny, I was reading a article this morning, and it was all about San Diego, and it focused on one thing. It focused on how expensive it was to live here. And it said that to get a 2-bedroom apartment, to be able to afford that, which was around $2,088 a month, you would have to make $39 and some change an hour to afford a 2-bedroom apartment. And that came out to like, I don't know, $82,000 a year or something like that. And it got me to thinking about the fact that, you know, everybody is kind of looking at, you know, what's the cheapest place to live, and, you know, how can I save some money, and how can I do this, instead of looking at the flip side of how can I make more money, and what do I need to do to live exactly where I want to live. Because I've had so many people say to me over the years, you know, you live in San Diego, oh my gosh, the taxes are crazy there and it's so expensive. And I'll say to them, I said, well, move to Detroit. You know, you can get a house there for $1,500. And they're like, well, I wouldn't want to live there. That place is terrible. Well, and I don't mean to offend you if you live in Detroit, because I know some people are trying to make it a better place right now. But the point is, you know, if you want to make some money, the best way to do it is figure out how to do it on your own. And making money from home is so easy nowadays. I mean, literally, if you have a laptop, and that's all you need is a laptop, you can make money from home, and you can make more than $39 an hour. Before I did this video, I went over to Upwork, and if you don't know about it, go to upwork.com, upwork.com, and on Upwork, you know, you can work as a freelance anything you want. You can do data for people, you can do transcriptions for people. I mean, anybody can do this stuff. Anybody can, you know, watch a video and transcribe words. I mean, anybody can do that. So, I mean, if you want to make money from home, it's really easy to do. Now, we sell all kinds of products. I have a survival food company, which I've had for 10 years, and it does really well. Politically, it does better with conservatives out of office than it does with them in, but that's neither here nor there. It does very well, and we have, you know, products on thousands of sites, including Walmart. So, you know, we're very fortunate there. But, you know, I also do coaching, and I have courses, and, you know, I have my inner circle. You know, I did post that in there. There's a link there for my inner circle, which is really cool, because what I do is I give you a lot of my courses on how to make money online, if you want to do that. Matter of fact, I'm giving away $46,382 worth of courses if you join the inner circle now. And that's just bit.ly/JR-IC. And you can join the inner circle. There's nothing to opt in for. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to give up your email even. There's just a video there that will tell you all about it. But the point is, if you want to make some money, you know, if you want to live, here it is, there's San Diego. I'm going to show you around here. I'm at the lake this morning, which is nice. And I could only do this because I work for myself. That's it. You know, I went over to Starbucks. I did some writing. I have a coaching call coming up at 11 o'clock, which is less than an hour away. I got to hurry up and get home, which is where I do it from. Do it from home, which is kind of cool, right? Just sit down on the couch and flip open my laptop and do my coaching call. But the point is, it's never been easier to work from home if that's what you want to do. I personally don't like to work from home. I'll do my coaching call there, but for the most part, you know, I go off to a Starbucks or, you know, some place that has internet, and I'll just hang out there and do my work. I do have an office there, and I have an office down the street too, but I don't really want to be in an office. You know, everybody says the allure of, you know, just getting out of bed and walking over to your office is awesome. It's not. I want to get away from it. You know, I don't want to combine the two, but if you want to do that, you can certainly do that. The point is, making money from home is so easy, and it's one of the biggest search terms. You know, if you go to Google and type in, you know, how to make money from home or best way to make money from home, I just did it. I got 13 billion results. 13 billion. That's how bad people want to do that. That's how bad they want to do it. So anyhow, I hope this helps you out a little bit. If you want to get more information, you know, run on over to that link I put in there. It's bit.ly /JR-IC, and there's a cool video there. It'll tell you all about this, all these training and software and all this cool stuff you can get, and you can get them for free. Check it out. You don't even have to put your email in. Talk to you guys later. Thanks.